Good day, viewers. I'm still your teacher, Onachka Kujubisi Shalom. How are you all today? I believe you're all good. Okay, today I want to speak to us concerning the love for Igbo, the love for Igbo speaking. I'm going to be mixing it up with Igbo language for you to understand me. Why is it very important that you know how to speak Igbo, or you could hear someone when the person speaks Igbo, or you understand the basics in Igbo? Why is it important? Why I want to say this is because some people feel it's useless. What am I going to use Igbo language to do in future? See, if not for any other thing, you should know your language because it is your roots. Everybody, every one of us, we all have our roots. We all have where we come from. And for the fact that you're from Igbo, for the fact you are an Igbo person, you should know your language. If not for anything, for knowing sake. To know your roots, to know your origin, to know your culture, to know your inheritance. It's very interesting. Anyone that feels Igbo language is useless, the person is lost. I'm talking to you, young people. Please, it's very important that you learn Igbo language. You learn, you know about your roots. You source about your root. You try to carry on your culture. You try to, transfer your culture from generation to generation. Don't feel it's useless. So many people, when they hear me talk about Igbo language or my love for Igbo, they feel I read Igbo in school. Maybe I studied Igbo like like a course. No, I did not. I studied science. Yes, I'm a scientist. I study science, but I have this love for Igbo. My mom made sure that when I was young, that she was the one that taught me Igbo language. Most of the things I am even going to be teaching you in my YouTube channel is from my mom. She taught me. She made sure that I know the roots. I know the basics in Igbo language, and I'm enjoying it. Ask yourself. You answer names. Some of you have Igbo names. Igbo names. You have Igbo names. Some of you, okay, if you say you don't have Igbo names, at least your surname is Igbo. And then you have those names and you don't value your roots. Look at other people from other places. They value their roots. They cherish their roots because it's their roots. Everyone should cherish, should love their roots. It's high time we go back to the origin. We are not going to allow Igbo language to die just like that. No, we are not going to allow it to just die. Please follow me. I'm going to be teaching you a lot in Igbo language. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. I did a video, a casual video, like on the alphabets. That's the alphabet. And people liked it, and they asked me to continue to open a YouTube channel where I teach these things. I already have a YouTube channel. I do some other things there. I'm just very versatile, but I've taken it upon myself to make sure that I teach Igbo language, if not for anything, so that our youths will develop interest for this Igbo language. Please, it's high time. Don't shout on your mom. Don't be angry with your parents when they want you to love Igbo, when they want you to know Igbo. They know what they want. They know the importance. I am not giving you the importance. I'm just giving you, the basic importance. If not for anything, just know it because that's your root. If you lose your identity, you lose your root, then who are you? Who are you? It's our culture. It's our inheritance. We should love it. We should uphold it. Okay? I'm talking to you deep from my heart. Yeah, from my heart I'm talking to you. And I believe you're going to have a change of mind. You're going to have a change of mindset and start loving Igbo language, because it's worth loving. It's worth knowing. You know, when you give birth to kids, at least you tell them, I have an origin. I'm Igbo. And then you say some things that are at least basic, the basic things you should know about Igbo language. Thank you, and keep watching, okay? I'm going to be bringing you series. I'm going to be bringing you topics in Igbo language. Like I said before, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow, like, and share. I love you all. Igbo Amaka. Oh, Igbo na-atọ ụtọ. Igbo Amaka.